Hi, I'm Rajesh, and today I'm going to explain about my project, fault tolerant microservice movie recommendation system by Circuit Breaker pattern. This project focuses completely on backend remediation. The project architecture is we have four microservices: recommendation service, user profile service, content service, and training service. Recommendation service is mainly used for main entry point, which is the backend starting, and the second one is user profile service, which is a provide user preference. The third one is a contact service, which is used to provide the movie details. The fourth one is training service, which act as a final fallback section of entire project. The core concept is that the recommendation service protects paths the user profile and content service using circuit breaker. So for this we are using three states: close, open, up. Close is used for normal working state of the project. If any circuit break, then it go to the stage open and it stops the service. And after that, we have half open, which will continue after the open service by sending demo users to check the service. For this, we request a time is 2 seconds. The file structure. In this, we have constructor, execution, on success, failure, transaction, and get structures. And now we check about the, and we use Postman for the check the verifications. We can check the Postman, and we can see the main recommendation for use to check the health of the project. And we can send, and it shows 200. That means our project is healthy and successful. For that, we see the user profile, and I'm going to send it. So the user profile is running normally because of this, the movie recommendation is work properly, and we can see the call functions here. Sir, because before that we have to see the content. What are the movie recommendation content has? See, the service also behavior is normal. Now we can check the call status. Now we can see the recommendations of which reference movies, user IDs, and the title of the movies. And we check the normal service. It is a close, but we have to check the open where the recommendation is slow because of users. We can run it. See, now behavior is slow. Now we can check the call function and we get the result like, see, the movie IDs and the titles are changed because of our recommendation is too low because of high user traffic. So it breaks the circuit and gives the other recommendation. If it fails, we also check this one, failed. If our connection is failed to recommend because of users, the behavior we got here failed. And now we will check the call. We can see that our recommendation service is temporarily degraded. Because of high user, a trend recommendation is failed, but it's showing other movies than that. By this we can know the metrics also. See, status is closed. Now, after 2 seconds, we again run the normal program in the content service. And now I am going to call the function to check the data. See, we have the normal data as recommended by the recommendation. And now we will go the code and check through it. The first state is recommended state. You can see here I have added several files. The main files are app.js and it is the main entry for our project. I am using Express and see I have given several outlooks to get the profile step it's running on. And the second sheet is user profile. In this user profile, it stores the data of users and the recommendation is done by user profile and content. So we can check the second third one content service. Here we given some static movies with the genres and its behavior. From here we can check the REST APIs to whether it's working or it has an error. And the final one is trend service. It is the last stage of our UA. If our recommendation is degraded, then the circuit automatically opens and the new trend services are going to be these movie IDs rather than recommendation. Thank you for watching.